like 21, it's a knife. Bust a left, I got drunk and took a right. I'm so high, you fuck with me, I'll take your life. And then take your life, bring you back to fuck her twice. Ay. I'm in the cut, oh yeah, she wanna fuck, oh yeah, that little bitch cut throat, yeah, she give me deep throat, yeah, stitch like low, combination no cheat code, yeah, I got the G code, gun gon' sing on glee mode, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is kind of completely different video. Never really actually made I wouldn't even call this a fucking vlog or whatever the fuck, but like a cooking type of fucking video. But I thought, fuck it, might as well. I'm not like any fucking great ass chef or anything like that, but can actually sometimes pull off making some decent shit. Sometimes, like anyone else, I fuck up, and definitely with cooking, you really learn quick not to fuck up. So pretty much we're gonna be making some spaghetti, and pretty much you can make your own sauce, but I say Prego, just get a can of that shit. It's the best shit usually. At least when it comes to like jars or like canned fucking sauce. But get some peppers. I usually like getting red and green peppers. You could just only get red or only green by like mixing it up. And then forgot exactly which brand this was, but just get a spicy Italian sausage. You could get normal Italian sausage if you want, but I saw that spicy Italian sausage. And I was like, fuck it, the peppers already kind of add a little bit of a tang to it. Might as well get the spicy Italian. And then you're going to want some vegetable oil. Noodles, that shit don't matter. I got some fettuccine and some of the fucking egg yolk noodles. Actually, I would have to say, when it comes to any kind of noodles, this has to be my favorite kind of dumpling. No yolks or whatever the fuck. Best kind of fucking pasta. I don't know why I've always loved it. I think it was because my mom always got it because it was the cheapest kind of pasta you could get. So I got it pretty much all cut up, and what I like to kind of do before I put it on the pan and shit, just to kind of mix it up, because the peppers and shit, all the juices while it's cooking, does add a lot of flavor to the meat. So you obviously want that shit mixed up fucking well. So now for this part, simple, just, you don't want to add too much oil, you don't want to burn your fucking house down, but you do kind of want to layer the pan nicely in some oil. But again, not too much. We're not trying to burn this bitch down. And I would just say, you want that bitch probably at the highest temp. Again, my shit kind of dirty, it ain't the cleanest, but it fucking works. So I'm gonna wait for that oil to heat up. You could technically add the meat and the peppers on whenever, but I like to kind of let the oil heat up a little and then add that shit on. So pretty much while you wait for the oil to fucking warm up, you could place the fucking water on to get boiled. Pretty much, it's not that fucking hard. Again, I've ran into fuckers that actually don't know how to cook noodles. For instance, if you don't know, just grab some fucking noodles and wait for the water to boil. If you add the fucking noodles before the water boils, you're gonna look like a dumbass and have some crunchy ass noodles. Okay, so once the oil is pretty much all heated up like it is right now, you can kind of turn it down to maybe like, I would say like 4 to 3, depending on your oven is. Just medium range pretty much. Don't want to cook the fuck out of them because you still want to have the timing between the peppers and the water boiling and the noodles and stuff to come out around the same time because you don't want cold peppers and sauces with your fucking noodles, even though you're going to heat it up with the sauce. So it makes it easier having everything timed to come off and be ready all together all at once instead of having this done, then waiting for the water, etc. You already fucking know. Water still isn't fucking ready, but this shit is looking good as fuck. I always love cooking this shit for the, I don't know, I love the smell of like peppers cooking and stuff. And I don't know, this is just always good, and always looks always good when it's cooking and shit. Let's look at this shit. I don't know, peppers are like my most favorite thing to cook, I feel like. Anything with peppers and shit. I'm trying to cut this without fucking oil everywhere. I don't think that's worth it. Put in a little piece. But yeah, just let this shit just cook. Simmer and shit. Pretty much you can tell it's ready once the meat has browned in, obviously. You don't want to eat raw fucking sausage. Peppers, try not fucking boil them, but honestly, I don't know. For me, I'm not too picky with boiled peppers, so actually sometimes kind of good unless you boil the fuck out of them. But yeah, don't boil the fuck out of it. It's that easy. Okay, so I got the peppers and all that shit cooking. It's looking good, almost ready, but I wouldn't kind of let it sit a little longer. I added the fucking noodles to the water and shit. But yeah, no, pretty much all I would say when it comes to cooking this shit, when you do try and transfer the meat onto the noodles and shit, try to drain any oil you can. If you just dump the oil into the sauce and everything, it's just gonna fuck up the sauce. Pretty much the noodles and shit are done. Pretty much, like I said, you want to cook it till the meat darkens and shit, till the peppers obviously soften up and shit. And pretty much what you're gonna want to do is drain the fucking meat. You don't want oil mixing with the sauce, because like I said, it'll fuck up the sauce. And if you're doing this, like with multiple people, you're gonna cook this for like say 4 people. I would say you want about 4 sausages for 4 people. So pretty much just 1 sausage per person and probably a quarter of a pepper for each person. So if you're doing say cooking like I said for 4 people, 4 sausages, and then 1 whole pepper, or 1 whole green, and 1 whole red pepper, or vice versa. What kind of peppers do you end up choosing? But I would say best ones to go with is red and green peppers for this. Pretty much like any other spaghetti. Have it at like a low heat. You don't want to burn the fucking noodles and the sauce, but make sure you mix this shit up. Because if you don't mix it up well enough, the noodles are gonna like burn and stick to the bottom like how those ones are. Gotta set down the camera for a fucking second. Stole this hole like a fucking madman. And pretty much, yeah, you just wanna, like any other spaghetti, sit till the sauce is all warm. Shouldn't take too long. And yeah, no, that's pretty much how you make spicy Italian spaghetti, or my style of it. Or just kind of how to spicing up, boring up spaghetti. Like, again, you gotta watch it on money. Jar spaghetti is like $1, $2. Get a thing of fucking noodles for $1, $2. And get you some peppers for about the same amount. You just spend an extra $2 on some peppers. And then, yeah, sausage is probably the most expensive thing. You could even make this without the Italian sausage and still have it be spicy. So again, if you want to be a vegan, you're like, oh, I don't want to hurt the little piggies. You got your fucking vegan version of the spicy spaghetti. So again, you got your meat lovers, you got your people that eat normal spaghetti and want to spice it up, here you go. Or if you're a vegan, just don't have the fucking meat. And dude, the shit's good. Fucking saved my ass multiple fucking times. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one. And I don't know, it might be a little bit more better or fancier, and I might not be using like canned fucking spaghetti sauce. Before the video actually ends, I just want to show off the pasta. This shit looks so fucking good. And you could also add mozzarella and all that shit if you want to. But again, something good for under like $10 fucking dollars.